Most drivers assume highway miles are the easiest kind of driving a car can experience. The reasoning is straightforward: steady speed, fewer stops, less braking, and a generally smooth driving pattern compared to city traffic. For a conventional gasoline car, that assumption is mostly correct. Constant cruising usually means less strain from acceleration and braking cycles. But with a hybrid, the picture is more complex. Toyota hybrids are not just designed for steady cruising. They are built around constant energy exchange between the engine, electric motor, and battery. The system is always shifting, charging, discharging, and deciding which power source is most efficient at any moment. In city driving, this cycle is very active. Regenerative braking captures energy every time you slow down. The electric motor assists during acceleration, and the gasoline engine switches on and off frequently depending on demand. This constant movement is exactly what the system is optimized to manage efficiently. Highway driving changes that behavior. Instead of frequent transitions, the system settles into a more stable rhythm. The engine tends to run continuously for long stretches, braking is rare, and electric assist is used far less often. On paper, this seems like the gentlest type of driving, but for a system designed around constant energy cycling, it introduces a different operating pattern, one that is far less dynamic than what it experiences in stop-and-go conditions. This leads to the key question of this video. If a Toyota hybrid is driven almost exclusively on the highway, does the reduction in energy cycling and system activity create any long-term effects that most owners never think about? To understand that, we need to look deeper into what actually happens inside the hybrid battery during extended highway driving. Inside a Toyota hybrid, the battery doesn't just store power. It's part of a system that constantly shifts between charging and discharging in controlled cycles. That movement is what keeps the system balanced and efficient. In normal mixed driving, this happens often. Acceleration draws energy from the battery through electric assist, while braking sends energy back through regenerative charging. Even small changes in speed keep the system active throughout a trip. But on long highway drives, that pattern becomes less dynamic. The vehicle holds a steady cruising speed for long periods, with the engine doing most of the work. The battery stays within a narrower operating range, with fewer charge and discharge events compared to city or mixed driving. Over time, the key difference isn't damage, it's reduced activity. The system simply cycles less frequently because driving conditions don't demand it. Some drivers may notice small shifts, like less noticeable EV assist at low speeds, the engine running more consistently during transitions, or slight differences in fuel economy compared to mixed use. These are not signs of failure, but reflections of a more steady operating pattern. The takeaway is simple: Toyota hybrid batteries are designed for regular energy cycling. Highway-only driving doesn't harm the system, it just reduces how often that cycling naturally occurs. Next, we'll look at the hidden maintenance items that become more important when a hybrid spends most of its life on the highway. When a Toyota hybrid spends most of its life on the highway, some maintenance needs become less noticeable, even though they still matter in the long run. One of the most overlooked areas is the brake system. Because regenerative braking handles much of the slowing down, the physical brakes are used far less than in a conventional car. On the surface, that sounds like a benefit, and in many ways it is. Brake pads often last significantly longer, but reduced use also means the system doesn't always get the same regular engagement. Over time, light surface rust can form on the rotors, and components like calipers may not move as freely as they would in more frequent stop-and-go conditions. It's not immediate damage, but rather a gradual loss of exercise in the system. The battery cooling system is another area that quietly depends on attention. Hybrid batteries are kept within a stable temperature range using airflow drawn from the cabin through a small intake filter. In everyday driving, this system works in the background without issue. However, when a vehicle is mostly used on highways, drivers often don't think about this filter for long periods. If it becomes partially blocked with dust over time, airflow can be reduced, which makes cooling less efficient. In hot environments especially, that added thermal stress can build slowly without obvious warning signs. The key point is that highway driving doesn't increase wear in the obvious way. It reduces the frequency of certain mechanical and thermal exercises that systems rely on to stay in their best condition. As a result, some maintenance needs become easier to forget, even though they remain important. Next, we'll look at some of the most common misconceptions Toyota hybrid owners have about highway driving and what actually holds true in real-world use. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, like the video and subscribe for more deep-dive Toyota hybrid insights. With a Toyota hybrid, highway driving is often seen as the ideal operating condition. Smooth roads, steady speeds, and fewer stops certainly have advantages. But that has also created a few misconceptions that can lead owners to overlook important aspects of long-term ownership. One common myth is that highway driving is automatically the best thing for every component in the vehicle. While it can reduce wear in some areas, it doesn't eliminate the need for routine inspections and maintenance. Some parts can actually go long periods without the regular use that helps keep them in top condition. Another misconception is that regenerative braking eliminates brake maintenance. It certainly helps brake pads last longer, but the braking system still needs occasional inspection. Rotors, calipers, and other components can still be affected by age, moisture, and inactivity. Many owners also assume that strong highway fuel economy means everything is working perfectly. While fuel economy is a useful indicator, it doesn't always reveal developing issues related to cooling, airflow, or other maintenance items. Perhaps the biggest myth is that Toyota hybrids require almost no attention because they are so reliable. In reality, their reputation for longevity comes from a combination of smart engineering and owners who stay on top of basic maintenance. The takeaway is simple. Highway driving is excellent for a Toyota hybrid, but it isn't a replacement for maintenance. The hybrids that reach the highest mileages are usually the ones that receive consistent care throughout their lives. Next, we'll look at the practical habits that can help a Toyota hybrid reach 300,000 miles and beyond. Toyota hybrids are built for long-term durability, but a few simple habits can help them age even more gracefully. The goal isn't to avoid highway driving, it's to balance it. If most of your miles come from long trips, occasional city driving can help keep the hybrid system operating across its full range of conditions. It's also worth paying attention to the battery cooling intake filter. Because it works quietly in the background, it's easy to forget until airflow becomes restricted. A periodic inspection can help ensure the battery stays properly cooled. Monitoring fuel economy over time can also be useful. Gradual changes may provide an early indication that something in the vehicle's operation or maintenance needs attention. Even though hybrid brake pads often last a very long time, the braking system still benefits from occasional inspections. In many cases, inactivity can be just as important to watch for as wear. Finally, don't overlook the 12-volt battery. Like any modern vehicle, a Toyota hybrid relies on it to support critical electronic systems, and it can weaken gradually over time. The takeaway is simple: highway driving is not harmful to a Toyota hybrid. The key to long-term reliability is combining highway use with routine maintenance and occasional mixed driving. More than anything else, it's that balance that helps Toyota hybrids reach 300,000 miles and beyond.